everyone. I hope y'all are doing good. Thank you so much for coming to watch another one of my videos. So I wanted to show you all this wig that I was sent from Recool hair. Big thank you to them for sending me out this wig. These are the goodies that came in my package. So I'm just showing y'all these things here. Y'all know we get these all the time, so I'm sure none of this is new to y'all. And this is the wig. They sent me a 5x5 16-inch deep curly wig. I'm not sure if the lace was HD or not, but I'm gonna have all of the correct information down below. As you see, it does come with that elastic band, which was nice. So here I am putting on the wig, and of course I'm going to do mine the glueless way. You can definitely wear this without any glue or even hairspray or any type of spray or something that would adhere the lace down if you would like. But y'all know me, I do like to take mine down with a little bit of hairspray just for a little extra melt, but you do not have to because it does come with the band. Okay, but I will show you guys towards the end of the video that it can be worn glueless. The hair on this wig, y'all, was really nice and soft. The curls were so pretty. They look so juicy and pretty, y'all. I didn't want to do too much manipulating with this hair because I loved how defined the curls look. So later on, a little bit later on in the video, you're going to see that I added some curls to the top. I'm starting to I am starting to do that, and I like it because I can keep the definition of the curls but make it bigger, because y'all know I love big hair. So I will show you all that. I used a wand to add some curls to the top, just a little bit. I didn't do too many curls, but all in all, the wig was really pretty. I had no issues with this wig. I did bleach my knots, and the knots bleached very well, and it was also easy to pluck this wig. It does come pre-plucked, but I would suggest plucking it if you want a more natural hairline.
I can already see, oh, what a feeling. Just get jealous if I hit that too hard. You come first, you know you're my heart. Sit along with you, girl, I'm about to turn you out. Turn around, when you hit me pulling up, hit me out. Assume the position, you'll proceed with the kill. Yeah, you already know, you know just how I like to see. You know just how I do. You already know. You know I Call it up until it's down to the bones. Tell her don't show if it ain't heels and bones. I can already see, oh, what a feeling. Just get jealous if I hit that too hard. Cause you come first, you know you're my heart. Cause it'll always be yours. Girl, I'm not turn you out. Turn around. When you hear me falling, I give me everything. Assume the position. Girl, proceed with the thrill. Yeah, you already know. You know just how I like to see it. You know just how I do. You already know. You know I like to go down. And you know I won't stop until you get it. You already know.
So in the next few clips, I'm going to show you all real quick how this wig again can be worn glueless. I'm going to just show y'all, me lifting it up and putting it back down. But of course, y'all know, again, I do like to take mine down with a little hairspray for a temporary hold. But yeah, y'all, again, love this wig. Thank you to Recool Hair for allowing me to try this wig, and thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all so much. Talk to you guys later.